All right, guys, check it out. Today we're gonna be replacing this crusty, rusty, dusty, nasty chain on the DRZ 400. Getting ready for the ride at the end of the month. We're doing the Mojave Trail, but I'm replacing it with this. I have never used Niche Industries chain before. I've never used a Niche Industries chain before, so we'll throw it on there. We'll see how it does. I'm not sure how well it's gonna do, but yeah. X-Ring chain says it's 50% less friction, 2 times longer life. I mean, usually I'm running like that's got a Renthal chain on it. This one's got a Renthal chain. I don't know. I decided to go cheap, and I may pay the price. So we'll see. We'll see how this thing does. But let's get to it. Let's get to changing this thing. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you guys. This thing's got 1, 2 master links on it, so I can assume that whoever had this before probably had to add that little length of chain in there. Maybe it was too short, because this does have a 52 rear sprocket on it, which isn't what they come stock with. So I think they got a bigger sprocket and had to add some chain length in there. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. Wow. Dang, that clip's barely was even clipped. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Well, this is proving to be difficult. Maybe a little get loose juice help us out here. A little bit of that. Oh, there it is. Holy cow. That was on there. All right. Whew. Old O-ring. Oh, those things are brittle, messed up. Nasty old O-ring chain. There's that crusty thing. All right. Let's see. Got some lubricant. All right. Didn't look bad. That's nice. Okay. Right. I just noticed it tells you the gears right there. First, neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's funny. I didn't know it. I never knew it said that. That's pretty funny. I guess if you've got to read that before riding, you probably have no business riding. That's funny. Alright, let's speed this up. There's that one. And there's that one. Alright, that'll make things go a little quicker. Oh, I forgot about that thing. Dang it. Alright. Crusty, but it'll work for where we're going. Alright. Let's get this thing slid on in here. Oh yeah, she's got some length to her. I'm trying to get this thing fed through here. Definitely gonna need to pull out a few lengths of chain, a few links. Probably need to adjust this wheel all the way forward and then get the chain length from there. So that'll be the next thing. Loosen this up, adjust it properly, and see how much length I need to take out of the chain here. See, it's almost all the way at the full, it's almost fully adjusted out, so I'm gonna have to bring it back down here, see how much length of chain I need to take out. Dang, that thing's way too long, but that's all right. Better to be long than short. Right. Okay, looks like both sides are on number one there. And number one right there. So we'll take that one right there. We'll get a Sharpie, mark that. If I do have to back this off, I still have 0 that I can go down to, so just keep that in mind. So it's gonna be that link right there. Okay. We are going to grind it off and punch it out. There we go. The link in question. That one right there, we're just gonna use a grinder and grind that off. Then we'll be able to punch it out. So that's what we're gonna do. Once I find my grinder. There it is. Alright, should be able to punch that out pretty easily now. Use a little nut to begin with, put it right underneath that side and give it a little smack. There it goes. Now it's starting to go. Perfect. There we go. There it is. All right, now I got the punch stuck. There we go. Got it. Pins right here. All right. Perfect. There we go. Boom. Now, got the master link stuff. There we go. All right, that was a pain. Put these other two little seals on, or O-rings, I mean. X-rings, if you will. That, and this little plate. There we go. Okay. Sure that's on there. Now, just gonna clip it on there. Just like that. Boom. Nicely done, nicely done. Now we'll adjust that out of it. Alright. Right at one on this side. Tight. Let's go right under one. Right under. One click under one, which is right there. That's where we're at. All right. Probably when I drop it off the stand, it'll be a little tighter. So let's put this stuff back on. There we go. Let's sneak this around there. There it is. Okay. So there we go, guys. There it is. Nicely done, nicely done. Now we just gotta ride it. See how well it holds up. I'm gonna be doing the Mojave Road at the end of the month. So it's gonna have about 300 miles on it on that weekend of dirt riding. So we'll see if it stretches and how much it stretches and how it does. And I can update you guys. Well, that was fun. See you guys.